morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to another garden project. In today's video, I use an old wooden shower mat, some old chair legs, some bits of wood and a garden fork to make a sack barrow for the garden. The only tools I need for this job are a drill and a saw. I fit a couple of bits of wood to support the legs, then I screw the legs in place. Now the legs are fitted, it's time to add the supports for the back. I pre-drill holes in the mat and the supports. Now this is done so that you don't split the wood when you screw the supports to the base. I add wood to the back. Now this strengthens the supports and also adds a platform for me to add the handle to. This was a handle from an old broken garden fork. Now the sack barrow is assembled, it's time to add some paint to finish it off. And here we have it, a sack barrow to help us move heavy flower pots around the garden. Like, share and subscribe, and press that notification button so you know when we upload any new videos. Bye!